Jackie Ayana. Aina. So, as you can tell, I'm gonna be using my Jackie Aina palette. This is how it looks. Ooh, look, the ring light. It's like iridescent. So, this doesn't have. I put on my base already, and I did my eyebrows. If you want to see how I did them, just go look at my other video, which was the how I botched. Well, it's gonna be titled "Fixing My Botched Eyebrows" and story time how I botched my eyebrows. So yeah, this is the continuing video for that. As I explained, I'm pretty sure I did put this out in the universe. Vanessa, please explain yourself and your outro. I never do outros or anything, but please explain that it's a 3-part video. Okay. So since it doesn't have nothing to start with, I'm just gonna use my LA Girl. So this is just a straight point to the video. It's just strictly eyes. So get ready with me for the carne asada. I'm gonna have a carne asada today. That's all we're doing. Obviously you can't go out, you know? It's like a little hair. So, you know, we just thought, why not a little carne asada? I'm gonna move y'all in closer. That still cringes me. I am not fixing that. My ojeras are me. Yeah. So this is a pretty palette. I got it last year. Obviously it came out last year. Not gonna lie, I think I've only used like once or twice. I think twice. I'm not sure. Should I do like a... I've never done like no purples. So we're just gonna see what I come up with. But I think I am gonna start with Supreme. So just gonna start with this pink color. Just gonna test out all the palette range. This is what I like about that idea. Oh god, it's pigmented. Like I said, this is what I like about the little palette, pick a name palette thing I did, because it lets you create and explore your palettes. Like, you know, not every palette's gonna be a neutral palette. This one's like not that neutral, has pops of colors. But hey, I am here for it. The shade is pigmented. Obviously I was not expecting that. I like to take it like all the way like to the brow bone, because you don't have that much space, as you can see. So I have to come up with what I got. Corona. Pinker is more like of a shimmery shade. It has like some shimmer to it. I'm gonna take Big Wig. So I took Big Wig and credit. I was gonna do these, even though it has a shimmer. I'm just gonna explore. So I'm taking fake wig. Oh, I think I put too much. I've actually done a purple. Oh wow, it's pigmented. I've actually done a purple look. I did a Jaclyn Hill purple look. If you want to go ahead and watch it. I never give myself no promo. I don't know why, but I just don't. But I'll list my social media right here in case y'all wanna see it, okay? I mean, I will list on my social media here just in case y'all want to follow me and look at my pictures or what I do. I use Facebook, Snapchat. I have a Facebook page, Instagram page, and I have a TikTok. I don't post videos. Maybe I'll post one soon. That's my plan. So follow me if you want to, and subscribe to my channel. Like I said, this is like my first time doing all of that, so yeah. So I'm just doing this motion, window wiper, no, swiper motion, swiper, wind wiper. I don't know. Well, I'm just going swish swish. So like you can get it marcado. So this is how it's looking. I don't know if I dare to go with. Ooh, I could do Dualas. Dualas? Who's sponsored as well? I'm to sponsor or lituation. This is sponsored. This is lituation. This is such a cute, like, you know. Ooh, lituation. It's getting cold. So my parents, they're probably gonna like, what are you doing? Just kidding. Okay, I'm taking lituation. Check out the crease. No, I'm just gonna cut the crease with the palette. Taking the spray. And taking lituation. Oh my god, this looks so cute. This is cute. This is cute. Okay, yes. Thank you for letting me venture with this palette. I'm gonna be using more of this palette. Obviously, I'm not sure when, because I do like to switch it up because I have that trick. So I don't know if I should. I think I should just keep it like this and add on a wing. Right? Let's do that. So I use my Wet n Wild Mega Liner. I've been using this ever since they discontinued the NYC liner just a few years ago. I also use a Stila liquid pens, but oh me, my leg. Yeah. I stopped. Did you see that? So this is how the eyeliner came. I have to fix one part, which is this, but I'll do that right now after. So I'm done with this one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it up, and then I'll be right back with the lower lash line. So yeah, see y'all here. For me, hours, but for you, like in a second. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly do my eyeshadow so y'all can see I've actually like done my face. Just gonna continue with the same colors I did, which is Supreme, the pink one, and then Big Wig, the purple one. Just gonna do my lower lash line with it. And if you want to see how I'm doing my face, just wait for the next video. And like I said, my eyebrows, previous video. This is the middle. I'm taking Big Wig. I'm trying to hurry because the garden is already here. It's already here. It's already done. So, well, pollo, because I don't eat meat. So I'm just using my eyeliner. I go through phases where like I use eyeliner, and then I also go through phases where I don't care for it. I don't know why. Did I mention it's from LA Girl? I think I did. So I'll be, hopefully stay tuned so I can do my lip combo in the next video. So these are the eyes. And yeah, I'm very excited for this look and how it turned out. My Jackie Aina palette. I am pretty sure I'm pronouncing it wrong. I'm not sure. So yeah, sorry if I am. But yeah, if you'd like, subscribe, I guess. That feels so weird. But yeah, thanks for watching.